Hi, I'm David Smith. I love senior housing, and I love people like you who are involved in helping senior adults make the difficult decision to move. Eventually, my experience in sales and sales management led my partner Alex Fisher and I to form Sherpa, a company dedicated to providing the senior housing industry with the most intuitive and sophisticated sales conversion tool. Throughout my career, I've been interested in illuminating a prospect's journey through change. We have language and a model to describe the stages of change that prospects typically encounter. Still, a prospect's need for time and attention can be particularly trying for a salesperson, particularly when there's pressure to produce results in the short term. Allow me to share with you an outcome that keeps me motivated. It's called an advance. It's a small step, and it occurs when a prospect and a sales professional mutually agree on how to move forward in the process of navigating change. Think of an advance as a single base hit, a small step forward, as opposed to something that drives the prospect all the way to a deposit, like a home run would. Examples of advances can be as simple as scheduling a tour, agreeing to a home visit, or putting a deposit on a particular unit. A less concrete or tangible advance, but one that could be even more impactful, is called a trust breakthrough. That's when a prospect does something and that they've placed their trust in you as a guide. This could be as simple as showing you a picture from their wedding day, or something as involved and deep as opening up to you about the reasons that they're really afraid to move. Move-ins are simply the result of many hours of hard work making advances. Try this: the next time you're stuck with a prospect, instead of thinking about how you can get the prospect to make a large advance to make a move-in, think about how you could generate a base hit, step by step, slowly at first and then getting faster along the way. Your advances will carry you and your prospect forward along the continuum of readiness and towards a move-in. To be continued.